Howdy, Oklahoma entrepreneurs. I'm Josh, and I'm here to be your guide on a thrilling venture, starting an LLC in Oklahoma. Got a visionary idea and a drive to make it a reality? Well, perfect, because you're exactly where you need to be. Together, we're going to break down the LLC creation process, stepping from concept to launch with simplicity as our mantra. Ready your pens, your keyboards, or whatever tool you favor for capturing insights, because the journey to bring your business vision to life in Oklahoma starts right now. Before we delve into the roadmap though, it's vital to acknowledge the crossroads ahead. Forming an LLC independently or enlisting the expertise of an LLC formation service. For those of you charting these waters for the very first time, or if you're seeking a stress-free passage, tapping into an LLC formation service is invaluable. It really does streamline the journey, ensures you're sailing true with Oklahoma's regulations, and brings you peace of mind. There's more. It's also impressively cost effective. Curious? Well, you can check out the video description to a link for our standout LLC formation service that can set you off without demanding a treasure chest up front. With the bearings set, let's embark on the legwork for forming your LLC in the land of the Red Man. Step 1. Name your Oklahoma LLC. Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey now and starting your own business in Oklahoma is an exciting move. The initial and crucial step though involves picking a name. This isn't just any ordinary name though, but one that really embodies your brand's identity and is also memorable to your audience. Think of your business name as more than just a tag. It's the initial handshake with your audience. In Oklahoma, ensure your chosen name is distinct and concludes with LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company. Already have a few names in mind? Well, excellent. You're a step ahead. Now the next action step is to verify if they're available. You can do this easily by visiting the Oklahoma Secretary of State's website. For your convenience, we've included the link in the video description below. Once you've settled on the perfect name, act swiftly to secure it either online or through mail. This might incur a small fee, but consider it a financial investment in your business venture. Step 2. Select a registered agent. In Oklahoma, every LLC must appoint a registered agent. Think of them as your business's official representative, there to really catch all the important stuff. Legal documents, tax notices, and other official correspondence. They're your front line in staying compliant with state laws. So, who can be a registered agent for your LLC in Oklahoma? Good news! You, as an LLC member, can also take on this role, or an individual who is not a member, or a professional agency can also serve as the registered agent for your LLC. They must be 18 years or older, have a physical address in Oklahoma, be available during regular business hours, and if it's a business entity, it must be registered to operate in Oklahoma. Choosing the right registered agent is crucial. They really do ensure you never miss out on important information and help keep your business in compliance with the law that Oklahoma needs you to have. Need help finding one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the video description below for a list of the very best registered agent services right here in Oklahoma. Step 3. Determine your management structure. In the world of LLCs, there are two main management styles. First up, we've got the member managed, and then we have the manager managed. Think of it as choosing between a hands-on DIY project or hiring out a contractor. In a member-managed LLC, it's all about teamwork. The members, that's you and your co-partners, roll up those sleeves and manage the day-to-day operations. Now, this is truly perfect for smaller crews where everyone wants a say in how things are ran and keep it super transparent with your team. Then there's the manager-managed LLC. This This is where you bring in the pros, the non-member employees or managers, to handle the daily operations. It's like having a dedicated captain, ahoy there, for your ship. And yes, a member can also be a manager, but they'll need to collaborate with at least one non-member manager. Small team with everyone wanting to be involved, then the member managed might just be your jam. Larger group with some preferring to stay in the background, then manager managed could just be your best bet. In Oklahoma, your LLC is automatically member managed unless you specify otherwise in your articles of organization. So think carefully about what works best for your particular business. Step 4. File the articles of organization with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. Now we're getting to the exciting part. Making your LLC official in Oklahoma. This is done by filing the Articles of Organization with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. This document is the cornerstone of your LLC, providing the state with essential information about your business. In your Articles of Organization, you'll need to include vital details, such as the name of your LLC, its principal office address, and the name and address of your registered agent in Oklahoma. This document is more than just paperwork. It's the formal recognition for your business's structure and existence. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail. The Oklahoma Secretary of State provides an online filing option, which is often fastest and most convenient in terms of methods. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization must be paid at the time of submission. Once you've filed your Articles of Organization and they're approved, your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of Oklahoma. It's a true moment to now celebrate. Your business idea is now a legally recognized entity, ready to operate and grow. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The next step is to create an operating agreement. Think of the operating agreement as the rulebook for your LLC. It's where you outline who does what, who gets what, and how decisions are made. Now, while Oklahoma doesn't require you to have one, trust me, you'll want one. It's like having a game plan for your business. So even if you're flying solo in your LLC, an operating agreement can be your legal safeguard, clarifying your operations and protecting your own interests. Need help getting started with it? Well, we've got your back once again. Check out our free operating agreement template in the video description below. It's a great place to start, but remember, one size doesn't fit all in business. You might need to tweak it to fit your unique situation. Step 6. Get an employer identification number, also known as EIN. Now it's time to get your business its own identity in the eyes of the IRS. That's right, we're talking about getting an employer identification number, or EIN. The EIN is a unique identifier the IRS uses for everything tax related for your business, whether it's filing taxes, opening a new bank account, or handling payroll. Your EIN is honestly your go-to number. So how do you get this number? It's simple and free. Head over to the IRS website and apply for it. It's a very straightforward online process. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Your business needs its own set of licenses to legally operate. These licenses vary based on your location in Oklahoma, the type of business that you're running, and the services you offer. Navigating the world of business licenses might sound like a daunting task, I know, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it first seems. You'll need to check with your local and state government to see what specific licenses and permits your LLC actually requires. These can range from a general business license to more specific permits like health licenses for restaurants or zoning permits if you're operating from a physical location. Don't forget to check out the video description below for a comprehensive guide on how to obtain business licenses in Oklahoma. Step 8. Choose your tax status. An LLC offers flexibility in how you can be taxed, and this decision can significantly impact your finances. You can choose to be taxed as a default LLC, a C corporation, or an S corporation. By default, LLCs are considered disregarded entities for tax purposes. This means the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return. It's straightforward and often beneficial for smaller businesses. Want something a bit different? Then you can opt for your LLC to be taxed as a C corporation. This means the company itself pays corporate taxes. While it can mean more paperwork, it might suit you if you plan to reinvest profits back into the business or go public in the future. And third and finally, you can choose the S corporation status. This can offer tax benefits like avoiding double taxation on dividends, but it comes with restrictions on the number and type of shareholders. Choosing the right tax status is crucial, but can be quite the headache. It's worth discussing this with a tax professional to really understand the implications for your specific business situation. And just like that, you've done it. Congratulations, your Oklahoma LLC is officially formed. You've navigated the twists and turns of the LLC journey, from choosing a unique name to selecting the perfect tax status. As we close out this chapter now, remember that forming your LLC is just the very beginning. Ahead of you lies a real adventure of growing your business, making your mark, and achieving your entrepreneurial dreams, which I'm sure you will. If you found this video super helpful, please do give it a like, subscribe, and ding that notification bell so you don't miss a beat on future videos just like this. Honestly, your support means the world to us, and it helps bring more content just like this to aspiring entrepreneurs just like you. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights into the world of business.